Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Donnie and you're watching Diamond Painting by Donnie. I am today going to review a product from Amazon. The seller sent it to me, asked me to do a review for it. I do have one of my own. I'm not sure if it's the same as the one I have, but it looks similar. This happened since I unboxed it. This was not part of the shipping. Something damaged my box, but it is a clip style metal hose magnifying glass with 2 LED lighting. It is advertised for diamond painting, but it also is good for cross stitch and other things that you need to see up close. So I will show it to you on a diamond painting, and I will also show it to you on a cross stitch to see how close up it gets. All right. So it comes nice and protected in bubble wrap, and then plastic. Takes 3 AAA batteries, which I have right here in my hand. I'll put those in first. If I can get it open. Yeah, Donnie's hands don't work very well, so. Here, Jim, can you open that? Open that. All right, let's see what else is in here. The rest, we have our clip and the wire. All right, so I'm not sure what this is right here, but there is some sort of clip. Honestly, I'm not sure what that's for, but it seems very strong. It's got a hole down here so you can actually mount it if you want, or hook it onto the wall. I don't know what that would be for. So let's get those batteries put in. All right, I used the screwdriver to pop it open, but I'm like, let's see if it was just something stuck from manufacturing, but maybe not. Let's just get these batteries put in case it's still too hard to open. All right, 1, 2, and 3. All right, and then let's just put the cover back on. Okay, so now it's easier to open it and close it. It was just probably stuck. All right, so there, now we got it closed. So it said it's 4X and 6X, so I'm guessing this little part right here is the 6X, and then the bigger part is the 4X. Let's just screw it onto our neck here. Unscrew this first, I guess. Would probably help. Alright, now, still not out far enough. You gotta unscrew that piece first, and then screw this piece in. There we go. Alright, and then you tighten that down to hold it in place so it doesn't come unscrewed. Alright, so let's check the light first. I've got a lot of light going in here now. I did get that fixed, so it's really bright. You can see how it's magnifying. Nice and big. The light's on. Yeah, you can see the difference there. Okay, so I'm going to clip it to the top of my table right there. And I'm using, you know, a lap table. And there, it's staying up nicely. Let me pull out my cross stitch. I'll show that one first. All right, so this is an 18 count. And look how nicely it magnifies that. Let me tilt it a little bit so we can try and get my ring light out of the view. So Wow, look at how much it magnifies. There we go. So that is very nice. I don't know that my other one, the neck doesn't stay up very well. This one seems to be a lot stronger. So there's cross stitch. And you can even clip these onto your, the edge of your Q-snap or whatever. That's what I normally do. And then adjust it to where you want it to go. Let's see, let's try here. And then you get the light directly on your work, which is much better. Oh yeah. I wish you could see. Here we go. So that is much better than what I have previous, because the one I have is a little bitty clip magnifier. And that is super nice. That's going to help me out a lot. I just need to get the arm in the right position. And what really helps when you are trying to get something close up like this is to put a little a bend in it so that your, oh shoot, so that you can make sure it's not moving as much. So there we go, like that. Look at that. Look at that. And that's nice and compact. Perfect for traveling because it does take batteries. And even if I don't use the light all the time, it's still great for the magnifier because, I mean, I have a lot of light here, as you can see by, you know, that big ring right there. Even if I'm not using the light, I would still use the magnifier. But actually having the light on, you can see, let's see if I can get it to your angle, with and without the light, what it looks like. So there's quite a difference there in how bright that gets. That's awesome. Okay, now I'm going to show you on my diamond painting, and you're going to get a sneak peek at this diamond painting because this is one that I'm working on. It's a mystery diamond painting, but I'm doing a time lapse for it. So not only does this work for clamping it on your table, it also could hold your diamond painting to your table. So there, it's actually clipped to my table itself. And look at how well you can read those symbols from a distance. See, I'm always working at a tilt like this, so that is perfect. And let's see what the light does, if it glares. Wow, actually it doesn't. That looks really good. Let's see. I'll show you from how you can see it. There you go. See, look at that. It magnifies it. So you're not having to squint or any, I mean, I could do this without a light pad if I'm using this and I don't want to pull out my light pad because sometimes that can be bothersome and it takes me so much longer to set up my diamond painting when I have to get the light pad out, plug it in and all that. This, I could just clip it on and use that because it lights it perfectly. It lights it up perfectly. Here, let me get it your angle so you can see. And it magnifies it. So, because that's what I normally use the light pad for, is to get it so that I can see what the symbols are, obviously. But also, I have to get close enough so that I can read what the symbols are. And this, I mean, I can see it from quite a ways away. I can read very clearly what they are. So all in all, this is a 5-star for me. I will link it down below in the description box, and it is on Amazon Prime. I believe it is one of the better priced clip lamps that you can get on Amazon. I didn't really compare them. I just went to look at the information for this specific one. But I will actually add this to my Amazon influencer page so that if you ever are looking for diamond painting accessories, you'll be able to find this in that list. But I will link it individually for you down below in the description box as well. So there you go. I approve, I recommend, and the only issue for me was getting this cover off, and I mean, I guess it's better that it's hard to get it open than it would to be open too easy and then the batteries pop out. So anyway, it does come back open. It does open and it does shut now that I've done it for the first time, and all's good. I'm going to turn that light off to save on batteries, and I'll probably be taking this with me in my travel kit in the car. So let me know what you guys think. Do you use something like this for diamond painting? I normally don't ever use a magnifier for diamond painting, but I probably will use it every so often, so I'm not having to pull out my light pad. And if not, tell me what you use for diamond painting. Is it just a light pad, or do you just go a naked diamond painting and drills with just your overhead lighting? Let me know what you use, and if you are looking for something, I do recommend that you try get a hold of one of these, because I mean, this is so sturdy, and the arm it's not moving, which I am super impressed by. So let me know down in the description box, and on your way down, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, because then you would be notified of me posting new videos like this one. I will see you guys in my next video, so have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.